Hey everyone, Aslan here. In this video I'm going to share with you two projects which I believe they could do well. One of them is Alpha Group, that they bring you a lot of information you can see on your screen, and another one is very nice Ducky type project. So these are ducks. It's a very interesting one, and it has been growing very nicely slowly, and I think it is not super hyped, but it's very interesting and good project in my opinion, the way they've been putting effort, and I'll share that in a second with you. The first one is Anon Robin. Before we go to the project, all the information I give you is just what I see on the screen. Okay, I don't know personally to any project owner or anyone like that. No one does. All we can do is bring the information to you, and then you can decide, because that's your money. You decide what to do with it. For me, I'm gonna bring the information, and I have a one whitelisted which is I'm giving away on Twitter. Alright, the links are in the description, and go join that to get the whitelist, and subscribe on the channel. You get more whitelists coming future. Let me just show you the whitelist that we have. The whitelist going on right here. You just have to come and follow these steps, and you potentially get the OG role. So the OG role, what it means is a very rare one. There's only 333 OG PFP whitelisted. Then there will be 3,333 total supply. And what I'm saying is about OG is very important because there are benefits with OG is a lifetime. You get profile picture, and it's a lifetime access to everything. So each lifetime access to Rate Sniper tool, which is 0.5 ETH, and there's another one which was 0.3 ETH is a monitor. There will be a prize, there will be lifetime premium content which they will give on their Discord from many paid group. All right, what they're claiming, they have a partnership with many paid groups. I will share with you. There's a lot of enrollment, guys. So the groups, they are each and every day, they find information for us. They probably hire people and everything, whatever it is. They find information from all these big clubs, and anything they pick up they will share with you, because I've seen they're already doing it free. There's a lot of information that comes every day. Hot NFTs pool, they have interesting findings, they have a general information. They have a lot of stuff going on, guys. What I've seen so far, always getting notification. There's all information. If you're someone that's super excited about NFTs and everything, and want to get into this, want to get information from insider information from 50 plus paid alpha discords, alerts about NFTs, they're creating an app as well. There's tools, whitelist drops. They're gonna do partnership. There's so much, as I said, there's so much that they're looking to do, and there will be information that you can see on your screen. If the links are going to be in the description, you can go there and see it yourself. So NFT notifications, 5-minute summary of the day, what's really happening in the NFT, what's minting, what's not. So there will be 3,000 passes, yearly passes. So there will be yearly memberships, but you can get one of these OG passes if you go on my Twitter and do the steps. First, subscribe, go to Twitter, follow it, and then do the process. There's only 3 steps you need to do. So this is 333 only. And if you know many other pass, Alpha Group pass, they've been going up in prices a lot, especially when you have very limited supply. They go up a lot. So launching giveaways 50,000. There's a whitelisting that they're going to have. The private sales, public sale, launching private. All right, this is so they're going to have Rarity tool, which they're going to give 0 points access to that. So personalized summary, artist notification. The artist, a famous artist, is creating a project, so you get a lot of early information in the group with details. You don't have to find yourself a lot of it. So free right now. They give daily summary and everything right now on Discord. You can join. So there will be more stuff coming. When they have more money, they can spend more money to hire people, and there will be royalty fees which they can keep it running on top of that, in my opinion. So the further you can read in description. We'll just go ahead and quickly look on their Discord, on their Twitter as well. They haven't got huge following when it comes to super high projects and all that. I believe people run to projects where they expect to make so much money. Not everyone looks for information tools like that. There are less people that look into this. All right, not everyone is keen to look in these information type projects. So you go one OG NFT giveaway, sorry, not NFT, whitelist giveaway, which I'm already doing on Twitter, and you can go learn more about it and decide if you really want to get in this. Let's go to the second project. Second project is Rubber Duck, and this is very interesting one, guys. I really like it. Discord is invite only. They are being very creative, and they are not rushing into the things when creating so much high, making too much money quick. They are taking their time. Ruffle mint, there's no public mint, nothing like that. So they are taking things slow. They're not creating a high where the market goes up crazy and then drops it. So right now, so what they are doing is they are being creative. So there's a version 1 and version 2, version 3. So your duck, each time it goes to the bath party, it grows and changes itself. So there's I think this is 1-to-1 golden ducky. It's gonna be amazing. I'm pretty sure it's gonna go for very, very high prices. Where if you see their Discord is very creative. When they post like this is opens for 10 minutes. Okay, so they've been doing like that, and each time they post, look at this. This is creativity. I really like when I see some projects like that, not just posting 20k, thank you for that. I'm being creative, having art behind it. It's very nice in my opinion. And if you look at their website, amazing. And the guys are docs. They have their both IDs verified, and very old ones, 2010 and 2009, and that's what makes it even much better. So one is the artist, and one is CEO of this company database and wiki brands. So yeah, it looks amazing, guys. So far what I've seen, I've found, researched, these guys look amazing. If you can get on Whitelist, the Discord link is going to be in description for Duckies and Anon. Okay, I really like myself this project. Anon is information based. You can join the free one and then decide whatever you want to do, but I really like Ducky, Rubber Ducky. If they offer me a whitelist spot, I'm happy to mint it. I really want to mint it myself and hold to it. And yeah, that's pretty much it from me, guys. If you like the video, watch it and get on my giveaway, whitelist giveaway, and on Twitter giveaway. Thank you and have an amazing day. I'll see you next video. Bye.